And staying on football, Stets and the Clarendon College played out a 1-1 draw as the quarterfinal stage of the DaCosta Cup competition kicked off on Saturday. Kahim Lewis put Stets in front in the 50th minute. Rani Rampasol equalized for Clarendon College in minute 57.
But honestly, out of the two teams, I think we feel the worst based on the way the goals score on us. But, you know, Clarendon States always be a game that people look forward to see end-to-end action. But we don't think we really play our best game today.
I mean, we came up here to get 3 points. We got 1. I mean, I am somehow satisfied with it. And, you know, it helped us to put ourselves in a position to move on to the next game.
And over in Zone A, Cornwall College began the quarterfinals on a positive note, getting by last year's beaten finalists McGrath High 2-0. Talisman Corlando Morris got them going in the 66th minute. Shaheen Bernard sealed the 3 points in the second half stoppage time.
A very hard-fought victory, you know. I mean, we knew the importance of winning this game. So, I mean, we came out here today. I think the boy was a little bit too anxious in the first half. You know, we get a few chances that we didn't convert. But in the second half, I think they were a bit more settled. And from then, you know, we knew that once we get the go-ahead goal, you know, the rest will be history.
Also from Zone A, Glenmuir High outscored Kempsell 3-2. O'Neill Headley in the 24th, Dustin Cohen in the 40th, and Aurel Miller in the 90th minutes scored for Glenmuir, while Orlando Campbell in the 75th and Shamar Daly in the 90th netted for Kempsell.
It's a game of two halves. I mean, we had control of the game. First half, we did brilliantly in terms of creating chances, controlling the tempo of the game. However, second half, I think we didn't start it as how we wanted to, which encouraged the opponent to play.
And in Zone A, in Zone B, the game between Dintle Technical and Christian High ended 1-1.